Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful hair bun for your kids school function or cultural show. Let's get it started. First, gather your appliances: a hairbrush, hair tie, and bobby pin, and some hair spray for hold. If you want to add a little flair, grab some decorative clips and ribbons too. Start by brushing through the hairs to remove any tangles, and this is super important for a smooth finish. Once it's all brushed out, gather the hair into a half ponytail, and the height is up to you, but I recommended placing it right at the crown of the head for that classic bun look. Now secure the ponytail and with a hair tie. Make sure it's tight enough so it doesn't slip, but not too tight that it cause discomfort. And next, twist the ponytail and tightly and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to form a bun, and secure it with another hair tie or bobby pin as you go along, and make sure to tuck in any loose ends or a clean finish. If you want to add some extra flair, you can weave in a ribbon or use any gajra and artificial bun rubbers, and this is perfect for cultural show where you want to showcase a bit of traditions or personality. Finally, spread some hair spray over the bun or to keep everything in place throughout the event. And there you have it, a perfect hair bun that's stylish and practical for any school function. Remember, practice make perfect, and so doesn't hesitate to try this out a few times before a big day, and your little one will look absolutely adorable and ready to shine on stage. So guys, thank you for watching. Your time is valuable and truly appreciate your spending it with me today. If you found this content helpful, entertaining, or inspire, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, and by subscribing you are not just supporting me, you are joining a community of my like mind individually.